Hello, what's up guys? It's your boy Derek here, and today I want to introduce you to a new software that is going live this morning at about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's called Moolah. Now, Moolah is like the number one clickback money making app on mobile. It is an app that you can actually use to start making money from clickbank right from your phone. So this is pretty simple, and this particular application and software, it's pretty much suitable to people who are probably not always on their laptop, people who are always moving around, people who are probably working on other things, or people who don't have a laptop but would like to make money online. So Moolah kind of provides you a good opportunity for you to replace your keyboard and your laptop with a mobile suitable application and start making money directly from clickbank without having to always open your laptop. What one of the advantages of this is that you'll be able to keep monetizing every single minute of the day, keep making money from clickbank every single minute of the day. And no matter where you are, as long as you can use your phone from where you are, you can use mobile money to monetize clickbank. So it's a very incredible software. It's one of its kind, pretty much similar to Dynasty, but one of the major differences between this and Dynasty is the fact that it is built on mobile. So it is very easy for you to monetize clickbank on other affiliate platforms, even when you're not with your laptop. So it doesn't matter if you have a laptop or not. It doesn't matter if you have the time to be on your laptop 24/7. As long as you have your phone wherever you are and you're connected to the internet, you can use mobile Moolah to make money right on your phone. So I'm going to take you to the sales page now to show you a little bit more information about this product and what it offers. So right here we are on the sales page for mobile Moolah, and one of the things I'd like to let you know about this is please look a little bit beyond the hypes and look into what the software does. And just like I told you, it's one of the most incredible software that you can use to monetize clickbank right from your mobile. So here it tells you actually are going to make money from your phone just by using your phone. And that is true, but it's not just by using your phone. It's actually by using your phone to create an affiliate funnel that makes you money through clickbank. And this app makes it very easy for you to create the funnel, to create the pages, to create a very good and effective affiliate website that helps you make money. And another important thing about it is it also drives traffic to your affiliate store. It helps you drive traffic to your affiliate store from different platforms at the click of a button. So I'm going to go into very easy to set up, get access to the app itself and set it up and activate it, and you're good to start making money. That's like the major 3 steps involved in setting up mobile Moolah for your advantage. So I'm going to go into the app now to show you how mobile Moolah works, so you can see what is inside the software itself. And if you love it, please get it. There are testimonies of people who have used this software in the past and are getting incredible results. So you can also join them to see results with mobile Moolah. So let's head straight into the app, and I'll show you a few features about it so you can see how exactly it works. So here I'm going to log into the mobile Moolah platform now to show you what the software looks like from the inside. So immediately we're right inside of mobile Moolah, and the first thing you're going to notice when you log into mobile Moolah platform is you're going to notice the training video, the VIP training videos. It's about 11 different videos contained inside of the software, and these are very, very important, guys. You have to make sure that you watch each one of these videos because they have some very useful information for you on how to use the platform and use it to monetize your clickbank account and start making money almost in less than a day if you're able to finish all the setup, which you should. So do not skip the videos when you get this app. Please make sure you watch each of the videos, because these videos are what gives you the good information about how to set up the whole funnel, about how to set up the whole processes, so you can start making money with them almost immediately. These are just few minutes videos. I think the highest of them all, it's about 8 minutes. So you can, if you've invested a few dollars to get this app, spending a few minutes to watch the videos that's going to teach you how to use them shouldn't be a problem at all. So when you're done understanding the app through the video trainings, the next you want to do is to find the products you want to sell from ClickBank, and you can find out through your profit finder feature right here. So it gives you different categories or criteria to use to sort out the products you want to promote from ClickBank. Different ways you can sort it by categories. The category of product you want to promote, there are different categories, quite a lot of them here. So you just need to click on one, and then you find products that are related to that particular category, and then you can set it up. You can set up the next process to start promoting products in that particular category. So let's say, for instance, in this for this demo, we want to use say education category. You can see it immediately kind of sorts out the products that are contained here to give me product that has to do with education and all of those things. So next thing I want to do now is to build a website with my phone. All of these you can do them straight from your phone. So I'm going to just put education as my subdomain and use that to create my mobile Moolah account. But you can use pretty much anything you like. So once you do this, as long as it's a unique domain, you just click on build website, and it automatically generates a new website for you. And then you're going to download the mobile Moolah template from this link. So once you download that, that's what you're going to install in your WordPress account, and then it's going to give you a full done for you website that looks exactly something like this. So we're going to log into this to show you what the website you're going to get would look like. So you see, so it's going to give you a full-blown website with all the content, all products from ClickBank that you're going to get, and all those single products you're going to get on your website. Here we have your ClickBank ID, so that when anybody you refer to this page buys something, you're going to get paid instantly. Now, right below this video, I have another more detailed demo video of how to actually, dive into the app to set up the store, each of the steps that you're going to need to take. You're going to need to watch the next demo video below this one to understand that. But I just want to give you a real overview of what the app does and the features contained inside. So when you're done building your own ClickBank store like this, next you want to do is to drive traffic to the store with your traffic engine feature right inside of the mobile Moolah app here. So you get different social media posts you can create. You can automate comments. You can get comment templates, reply comment template, and another important feature is that you can actually automate campaigns, and then you get reports of how the campaigns you created, your posts, your social media posts, and all are performing. So let's take a look at what kind of posts you'll be able to create straight from mobile Moolah. You'll be able to do this on Facebook, create multimedia posts, create CTA posts, create currency and video posts, create text posts, image posts, video posts, HTML posts, link posts, and so much more. So you'll be able to drive traffic from this platform, majorly Facebook, to your ClickBank page, and you can start monetizing it in just a matter of minutes. So guys, this is just a quick demo of mobile Moolah. That is just a quick demo or overview, kind of walkthrough of mobile money and everything it offers. So if you find it quite interesting and you think you've been trying to make money with ClickBank and it's not working, or probably you're limited because you don't have a laptop, or you're always busy and not where you can find yourself opening a laptop every minute, This provides a very effective way for you to start making money from ClickBank right from your phone, and it's very easy to set up. It's a 3 simple step process which you can literally complete in less than 60 minutes, and you can start monetizing your store almost immediately. It's very easy to follow, very easy, just like I've showed you here. So if you find it quite interesting and you want to dive into this opportunity to start using your phone to make money online through ClickBank, all you have to do is click on the buy button here right from my page, and make sure you're buying from this page, please. So you click the buy button right here from my page and go straight to the sales page itself and get mobile Moolah, and I guarantee you, as always, you have my 24/7 support and you get other benefits buying from me. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time and patience watching this video. Bless you.